The question is to find the derivative of the function. Here we have y is equal to sine squared 2x times cosine x. Let's rewrite sine squared 2x as a sine of 2x, all of these things squared, and we have cosine x. So derivative of this function is equal to, basically we have to apply the product rule, right? So derivative of this function is equal to, we have to apply the power rule, right? So power rule first, leave whatever expression inside of the parentheses is alone. 2 minus 1 is 1 times derivative of sine 2x, chain rule, right? So that's derivative of sine cosine 2x times derivative of 2x, chain rule again. And now leave this function alone. So cosine x plus, now leave this function alone. I'm doing the product rule, right? So sine 2x squared times, we have to multiply by the derivative of this function, right? That's negative sign. So minus a sine. So if we simplify this, that's going to be 2 times 2, 4 sine 2x times cosine 2x times cosine x minus sine, well, this is a sine squared 2x, right? Sine squared 2x times sine x.